Welcome to our YouTube channel AgriWizard PAU. Today in this video we will know the top 10 agriculture companies in India. Also how to get job in these companies. Topics that we will deal in this video are establishment year of the company, its corporate office, the product that it's deal and its website. So let's begin with Rasi Seeds, which comes in 10th position. As the name suggests, Rasi Seed is involved in agriculture seed production. It was founded in 1973. Its corporate office is in Uttar, Tamil Nadu. Seed for pearl millet, maize and cotton are produced by Rasi Seed. It is one of the best biotech company of India and has won many awards for offering best quality seed and expertise in farming. Its website is rasiseeds.com. Next, the company which is in 9th position is Godrej Agrovet Limited. The subsidiary of Godrej Group came into existence in 1990. Its corporate office is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The company deals in agro-based product and is one of the top agriculture entities in India. The company is known for providing bird feeds, animal feeds, agrochemical, poultry-based product and palm oil plantation. Its website is godrej.com. The next is National Agro Industry, which is in 8th position. National Agro Industry was established in 1970 and is based in Ludhiana, Punjab. National Agro Industry is involved in manufacturing of agriculture equipment and enjoy a considerable market share in the concert sector in India. Some of the notable products of the company include ridge planter, crop planter, paddy grain planter, seed drill, maize seller, and vegetable seed extractor. To know more, please check the website nationalagroindies.com. The next company, which is in 7th position, is Pops Organic Estate. Based in Trivalla, Kerala, Pops Organic Estate was set up in 1889. It is a multi-crop plantation company. Pops Organic Estate dominates the agro-based product market as far as coffee, tea, white pepper and black pepper are concerned. The company has won many accolades nationally and internationally in the coffee and tea segment. Its website is popsorganic.com. The next company is Monsanto India, which is in 6th position. Monsanto India is the Indian subsidiary of American agriculture giant, which was founded in 1901 in Missouri, USA. Monsanto India prime business include production of pesticide and the seeds with the brand name of Seminis. Monsanto India is headquartered at Mumbai, Maharashtra and is rated among the top agricultural companies in India. Its merger with Bayer Crop Science has not completed yet, so it is in list of top 10. Its website is monsantoindia.com. The next company, which is in 5th position, is Advanta Limited. Established in 1994, Advanta Limited is active in seed business. It is a plant genetic company. Its corporate office and headquarters are in Hyderabad, Telangana. Advanta is among the leaders in the agriculture industry, having its presence in 6 continents. Advanta is a world leader as far as forage and grains are concerned. It is listed in NSE and BSE index. To know more, you can visit the website advantaseeds.com. Lemken India Agro Equipments Private Limited, which is in 4th position. Lemken India was operationalized in 2010 and its headquarters in Nagpur, Maharashtra. It is a recognized manufacturer of machinery needed for soil cultivation, sowing and plant protection. It has its manufacturing plant in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Lemken has spread its business in 45 countries around the world. Lemken India is one of the leaders in producing plough, cultivars, power harrow and other agricultural equipment. Its website is lemken.in. Nujivedu Seeds Limited, which is in 3rd position. It deals in agriculture seed, as the name of the company suggests. The largest producer of BT cotton seeds in India. Nujivedu Seeds Limited was founded in 1973. It has its corporate and head office in Hyderabad, Telangana. The company offers seeds for a wide range of crops: cotton, vegetable, mustard, sorghum, pearl millet, sunflower, maize, and paddy seeds. NSL Group, an Indian conglomerate, is the parent company of Nejuvedu Seeds Limited. To know more, visit the website www.nejuveduseeds.com. In second position is Rails India Limited. A subsidiary of Tata Group, Rails India Limited was founded in 1948. It is one of the foremost agrochemical companies. It deals in agriculture products ranging from fertilizers and pesticides to seed. A research and development week of Rails India involved in product development. Its website is rails.co.in. The company which stands in first position is DuPont India. It is one of the oldest agriculture companies in India, established way back in 1802, operating in more than 90 countries. DuPont Corporate and its head office are situated in Gurgaon, Haryana. The company deals in agro-based products which include seeds, pesticides and insecticides that protect crops such as rice, wheat, vegetable, sugarcane, soybean, pulses, lentils, and so on. The company also provides healthcare service for animal. Its website is dupont.co.in. This is the map showing the top 10 agriculture companies in India. You can see DuPont India situated at Gurgaon, Haryana, National Agro Industry in Ludhiana, Monsanto India Limited in Mumbai, etc. These private companies provide good package and working environment for agri graduates. They hire person as advisor, consultees, or a research person. Next, we come to how to get job in private companies. The first point is to regular visit the website. By regular visiting the website, you can come across the new vacancies which company updates in its website. Next is participating in campus drive. Many companies organize campus drive in the leading agriculture or other institute. There you can go for campus placement by clearing written exam, GD, and then personal interviews. Next is by joining different companies through LinkedIn account. You can follow different companies through your LinkedIn account, or you can directly contact the HR of the company if contact number is provided in the website. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.